I'm so glad you could make it for dinner.
Me too. I haven't eaten all day. I'm starving. Wow. This is great. Did you make this? Why, yes, of course. It's a Why are you making a face like that? Is everything okay? Oh, no. No. I think the food's great. I just need some water.
Oh, silly me. What was I thinking? Do you want bottled or tap?
Just the one that has flavor. I mean bottled.
I brought two just if... David? David? David?
This food is horrible. How am I going to tell her? What am I gonna say?
David? David?
Oh, there you are. I've been looking all over for you.
Oh, the food was so good. I just couldn't wait. I had to get more of it.
In the trash can?
Oh, it's not there. There it is. By the stove. What was I thinking?
Oh, that was close.